Hello, Vivek here. So today I am going to tell you how you can install Tailwind into React project. So let's start. So first of all, let's create one folder. Name it anything. I am naming it Tailwind demo. And then you just have to drag and drop the folder into VS Code. And now you have to open terminal, clicking Ctrl plus backticks, and then you have to create a React project. So for that we will write npm create vite@latest, then click enter. Okay, it will take some time. Then name your project. You can name it anything. I'm naming it 01 Tailwind demo. Then click enter. The package name will be same, just click enter, and using the down arrow go to React, then click enter, then JavaScript, click enter. And yes, we will install npm, and now we will run our React project. So just control plus left click onto the link. Let's just minimize and let's download Tailwind. So write Tailwind in the Google, write Tailwind, and then click enter. The first link, that is tailwind.css, is the original link. So now I'm going to use the previous version because I think that's more stable. So let's use the previous version of the Tailwind. Now go to framework, Vite, because we have created React using Vite. So the first step we have created the React project. Now we'll copy the second step, that is installing Tailwind. Now copying the second step, let's go to VS Code and we'll first stop the React project from running. For that we'll just click Ctrl plus C and then paste everything out that we have copied from the React project. But first of all, we have to navigate to the file that we have created. For that, cd.tailwind, and then copy paste everything out. Now we will add content, copy it from the Tailwind. Now go to VS Code. Okay, now go to VS Code. In the Tailwind configuration, change the content to what we have copied from the Tailwind website. And now again go to Tailwind website and copy the index.css, the header files that is given here. Now let's quickly go to src and index.css, and at the very top we will just paste what we have copied. Okay, so now everything is all set. Now what we do is just run the React project, and for that we use npm run dev. Okay, now control plus left click, our React project is running. So now we'll just check. It's completely fine. Now let's quickly go to VS Code and app.jsx and write some of our code. Now quickly delete everything that React has provided us and create our own fragmentation. And inside fragmentation we will write one h1 heading, just for example. Write anything as you wish. I'm writing hello world, then click enter. Now everything is running. Okay, first thing first, what we have to do is, you can write the code, but sometimes VS Code don't work. After installing Tailwind or anything, just close the VS Code or the app that's running the React, and again what you have to do is drag and drop the folder into VS Code to quickly run it again, so that the React, the Tailwind that we have installed will run properly. So now let's again do cd to navigate to that folder or file that we have created, and npm run dev to run the project, React project. Now let's write some Tailwind properties like bg. You can give anything, like I'm writing bg red, and you can give text that's black. Okay, text is black. Now give it some padding. Okay, if you would like, I will also create one Tailwind tutorial. If you would like a tutorial on Tailwind, just let me know in the comment. Okay, it's not working. Why? Okay, because what we have done here is we have not written the background color properly. We have to define the like how solid the color is. Like writing red 500 will solve the issue. Okay, and now we are also able to write the CSS properties, the Tailwind CSS properties. Let's quickly change something and see. Yeah, it's running completely fine. So that's all for today. If you wanted to stop the React project, then just click Ctrl+C and it will stop the process. And to run, just again write npm run dev. Yeah, so guys, that's all for today. Okay, if you guys faced any kind of problem, just let me know and I will try to solve them all. Thank you.